Alexa, what is a mastodon?
According to Wikipedia, a mastodon is any proboscidean belonging to the extinct genus Mammoth that inhabited North and Central America during the late Miocene or late Pliocene up to their extinction at the end of the Pleistocene 10,000 to 11,000 years ago.
Thank you. Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to draw MARSMON from Digimon Fusion. If you must know, MARSMON is a henchman for Apollomon, one of the Dark Generals from Digimon Fusion. As you all know, when combined with Sethmon, and along with the other few like Grizzlymon, they form Sethmon Wild Mode. And anyways, as we all know, Marusmon was killed by Apollomon Whispered. He was also the guy who led Mikey and the others up the stairs. Because it was protected by a barrier which surrounded the palace. I'll bet Sparrowmon bumped her nose when she was trying to fly up to the top. Because that would be seriously cheating. Am I right? Anyways, we don't know when or where MARSMON will appear next. But I get the good feeling that MARSMON will be there by his side. After all, Apollomon and MARSMON and Sethmon are like good companions to him, to each other, and they never run from a fight. Alexa, play it again, please.
I'll repeat the song.
Okay, so when drawing him, you must draw these squill things on his back here. There's his head. Now, here's his collar. Next up, here are the pecs. Here are the abs. Okay, here's his arm here. Be sure to put an arm band around it.
Every time I'm leaving on you, you don't make it easy, no. Wish I could be there for you. Give me a reason to. Every time I'm walking out, I can hear you telling me to turn around. Fighting for my trust and you won't.
There's the bolts on his arms.
Even if we gotta risk it all right now. I know you're scared of the unknown. You don't wanna be alone. I know I always come and go, but it's out of my control. And you'll be left in the dust unless I stuck by you. You're the sunflower. I think your love would be too much.
There's his arm.
You'll be left in the dust unless I stuck by you. You're the sunflower.
There's his arm here.
You're the sunflower.
There's the belt here. Alexa, play Hero by Chad Kroeger.
Hero by Chad Kroeger, featuring Josie Scott on Amazon Music.
Okay then.
I am so high, I can hear heaven. I am so high, I can hear heaven. Oh,
There's his arm here.
no heaven, don't hear me. watches me all fly away.
Before we draw the other fist, you must draw his pants.
Love will all save us.
As we all know, they're a bit spotted.
But how can that be? Look what love gave us. A world full of killing and blood spilling, and that world never came. And they say that a hero can save us. I'm not gonna stand here and wait. I'll hold on to the wings of the eagles. Watches me all fly away. Now that the world isn't ending, it's love that I'm sending to you. It isn't the love of a hero, and that's why I fear it won't do. And they say that a hero can save us. I'm not gonna stand here and wait.
Everything on the first jump, right?
I'm still doing that, Mom.
I'm not doing it.
Can I please finish my video, please?
I'm not, you know what? I'm not asking you to.
Can I finish my video first? It won't take long. Okay. So,
You don't want stuff on the floor?
I'll pick it up. Okay, next up is the cape.
Like that. Try to, what's that thing called? That Uncle Paul guy.
There we go. And next up is the fiery body. There we go. Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
Make sure to put flames around him. Try not to put fire on near his head. And done. That's how you draw a MARSMON. Now, time to add the spots. We're gonna try not to add too much.
Someone told me love would all save us. But how can that be? Look what love gave us. A world full of killing and blood spilling.
There we go. That's how you draw a MARSMON. So, who was your favorite bad guy in the Digimon series? The Digimon Fusion series, I mean. You can leave a comment below on who's villain you like the most. And I'll get back to you real soon. Anyways, that's how you draw a MARSMON. And don't forget to draw the marks on his head. If that's too hard for you guys. There we go. That's how you draw him. See you guys soon. Bye.